Murdeshwar is a town in Bhatkal Taluk of Uttara Kannada district in the state of Karnataka in India. Its main attraction is a Shiva temple with Chalukya and Kadamba sculptures built in the Dravidian style of architecture with an awesome Shiva statue in its pristine beach. The temple complex is famous for its tall Shiva statue which is around 37 meter high and is the tallest Shiva statue in India. Murdeshwar is another name of the Hindu god Shiva. The breathtaking effigy of Shiva in Murdeshwar is a popular one. This figure is said to be the second tallest Shiva statue in the world after Kailashnath Mahadev Statue in Nepal. The Murdeshwar Temple is located in Kanduka Hill which is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on three sides. The formation of the Murdeshwar Temple is related to the times of the Hindu epic Ramayana. The original piece of Atma linga is known as Murdesha linga. Now it is renamed as Murdeshwara. The Murdeshwar Temple is one of the popular temples in Karnataka. It has a blend of modern and traditional architecture. The statue was built by Kashinath and financed by a businessman named Ramanagappa Shetty. The figure of Shiva took 2 years to construct. It is built in such a way that the sun rays fall directly on it and make it look shiny all the time. The Shiva statue here is quite an impressive one and will surely leave you with a humble sense of tranquility. This magnificent statue is a perfect tribute to a god who is held in high reverence in lands far and wide. From across the beach, one can see the mammoth statue sparkling against the backdrop of a blue sky. There is also a huge statue of the Gitopadesha depicted in the lush garden here complete with a chariot. The temple has one gripping thing is that it is surrounded by Arabian Sea from three sides and the temple premises begins with a 20-storied Gopuram. The temple is mainly built of granite. The Raja Gopura means the king of towers. This temple tower in Murdeshwara lives up to its name. The Raja Gopura has 20 floors and people can also reach the top of the tower by lift. The 20-storied Gopuram at the entry of the temple complex is around 249 feet tall. The gigantic Gopuram at the entrance is believed to be the second tallest of all the Gopurams in the world. It was inaugurated in May 2008. The most exciting thing about the temple is the scenic view of the Lord Shiva statue along with the breathtaking view of the seashore. At the foot of the temple is located a temple devoted to Sri Rameshwara. Next to the idol of Lord Shiva is also present a shrine devoted to Shaneswar, while below the Lord Shiva's idol is a small cave. At the entry gate of the temple are the statues of 2 elephants which are believed to act as the guard to the temple. Within the temple premises is present a depiction of Lord Shiva giving the teaching of Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna, and beside that the depiction of Ravana giving the Atma linga to Lord Ganesha. It is believed that Lord Shiva had given the Atma linga to Ravana as a gift for his penance, which sits originally in the heart of Shiva. The temple features the cloth which covers the Atma linga. It is also said that all the gods, according to the Hindu scriptures, attained invincibility and mortality after worshipping Lord Shiva. The most noticeable highlight of the temple is the mammoth statue of the Lord Shiva which has been built such that the rays of the sun first fall on the Shiva's statue. Murdeshwar Temple is famous all across the globe as the world's second largest Shiva statue is established here. The sacred town of Murdeshwar is rich with beautifully sculpted statues and carvings. Murdeshwar Temple is a top tourist location as it has the world's second tallest statue of Shiva standing high at 123 feet above sea level. It is one of the best places to visit in Murdeshwar.